guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Frahia back again on your screen with another video, and I'm looking all dolled up. As you can see, this is Christmas day, and I want to vlog with you guys how we celebrate our Christmas and New Year. Yeah, so I'm here with my partner and my brother. We are three of us. We couldn't leave because my partner has to work, so we decided to just stay and celebrate together. So I'm gonna show you my OTD. Let's head out. We've just called a cab. We are just going nearby Chachoma so that my partner also could eat something. Then he goes to work, and then I'll be remaining with my brother, and he will join us later. So let's see how this day will take us. I hope you had a merry Christmas. I know that this video will go way after Christmas. I hope you enjoyed with your family, you bonded, and may the Lord bless you so much. So let's head out. So today is Boxing Day. I didn't vlog much today because I was nursing hangover. Yesterday we stayed up so late. My partner joined at around 2 a.m. and we actually came back at around 4, or we slept at around 5. So we slept, we woke up late, lunch hours like around 2. Yeah, and we got to eat. My partner went to work, and then we just remained here with my bro. We took a broth for the hangovers. Then after that, we just ate. I made eggs and ugali. I don't think I showed that. We had ugali like leftover, so we made eggs, and then we took it with tea. Yeah, and then it was just a chilled evening. I tried to release some footages from my phone to the laptop because my phone is really full with footage, as I promised. As I said earlier, I have so much footage, but the time for editing, I'm trying to balance between just spending time with family and everything, and also trying to get time to edit, which is really tricky. But don't worry, every vlog that I have, every footage, I will have to edit it and post it. Even if I'll post next year, I'll have to post it. So yeah, and thank you guys for this supporting. So the broth that we took, I boiled some meat that I bought from the preparation of Christmas, that vlog. I bought different meats, so I bought the meat, and the boiled meat, I put it in the fridge, and that's what now I'm making dinner with it. We are cooking pilau. My brother already made some chill pilipili ya kukaanga, yes, for pilau, and also he already did kachumbari. So I'm just waiting for the food to be ready, and then we can have it. I also blended some fruit juice, or is it a smoothie? Like it has like mangoes, vanilla yogurt, it has milk, and it has also bananas, no sugar added. It's really nice combo. Yeah, so I'm here waiting for the food to cook, and then after that we're gonna eat and then chill, just waiting for my partner. Yes, and then we call it a night. I think tomorrow we'll do something exciting, because today we are tired, and tomorrow my partner will be off, so we'll see if we can just do like a beach day. Yeah, just to try and make this live the most of it and make memories, and try to cheer myself up in the midst of so many things happening. Yes, so, and also I'm eating the mangoes that my sister brought us from Washamba. Dinner is ready. Kuburunya.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this where the happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this where the happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this where the happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this where the happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be
Hey
yours.
guys, so it's another day. Today was a slow morning. I did wake up, did cook pancakes. Yes, we took like a brunch, not breakfast, and we are just chilling around, did some chores. Right now, I'll just freshen up a little bit, and we are passed by hospital. My partner is not feeling well, get some checkup, and then we go check for some clothes for my grandma burial. For the grandchildren, we need like white clothes, and I don't have any, so it's my brother, so we're gonna do that right now. So let's go. Hey fam, so I know I've not been vlogging for the past 2 days. Today is 31st. I was just chilling, cooking, eating, editing, nothing much. Yeah. So the last time we talked, I was going to look for a dress for my grandma burial. I got it, the one that you saw. I loved it, and my partner get it for me. For my brother, we tried but didn't find, but he ordered his online, so yeah, we are good on that part. So today we want to go, of course, countdown to New Year, hoping that you guys celebrated your New Year so well. So right now we decided just to cook, eat, and then go celebrate. We are going to Blue Coconut. It's in Shanzu. Yes, they had a buffet, like budget, but 3,000 each. We didn't want to spend that much money. We just paid for the entry. Yeah, so we'll just go hang out and then wait for the fireworks, catch up some drinks, and then maybe go out afterwards. So right now you just want to go get something that I can come and cook. I had a very long nap, hence my puffy eyes, but I feel so good and refreshed. So that's what we are up to. Cook, eat, and then go. Countdown to 2025. I'm excited. Let's wait for that. Dinner is ready. The pork is looking all yummy and it tastes amazing. So you have kachumbari, ugali. Yes, so we're about to dig in, and of course some fruits. Nambari nangai kasongo mama ye nambari nangai
endo request kwa nini aje. Okay, we're gonna start from the top. Here we go.
Kasongo ye nambari nangai kasongo mama ye nambari nangai kasongo ye nambari nangai kasongo mama ye nambari nangai nambari nangai nambari nangai nambari nangai nambari nangai kasongo mama yeo nambari nangai. Tuta dance kumbe hapa. Akipika vichochoroni akiwa sanga umekwisha potea, umekwisha potea, kapotea mtoto mzuri kwa kunywa chang'aa, umekwisha potea, kapotea mtoto mzuri kwa kunywa chang'aa. anaenda wapi? Ajui tena. Vichochoroni nakuona ukinywa changa, umekwisha potea. Hey. Wapotea mtoto nzuri kwa kunywa changa. Geni cheers basi. Before countdown. Cheers. Dakweka. Content creators. Hey, cheers.
The camera is
Hey guys, this is me editing the vlog and I realized I didn't do an outro. So I had a wonderful time during the Christmas and the holiday season despite everything. Yeah, and I was so happy to have seen the fireworks. It was just an amazing time with my partner and my friends and my brother. It was just lovely. And after that I just concentrated on other things, going home. You'll see the vlog after this. Yeah, that will be an official like first vlog of 2024. So I'm just here to say thank you for always coming back. Thank you for all the support that you have shown me during 2024 and also the other years. I'm so grateful. I'm just praying that this year we get to grow on this platform and yeah, make money, you know. And I'm praying that you are blessed 2025. May your dreams and desires come to pass, and may God bless us all, give us strength in each and every situation, and just let us win this year. And thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.